Okay, children. So today, 8.1 exercise, we'll discuss 3, 4, 5, and 8 sums. 8 sums. Okay, 9th class, NCERT maths. Okay, now children. So coming to 8th sum first, let me complete up 8th sum.
కనబడట్లేదు సార్ పైసా ఎందుకు
Okay, children. So children, coming to 8th sum, all of you see here, 8th sum is like this. ABCD is a rectangle. Children, he's saying ABCD. What he gave is, children, see here, ABCD. He said ABCD is a rectangle section. ABCD is a rectangle. Children, ABCD is a understand, children? ABCD is a rectangle in which diagonal AC bisects AC. Okay, saying that diagonal AC is there, no children. AC, this AC bisects A and C, it seems. AC bisects angle A and angle C, children. Okay, same like a old sum, children. AC is there, no children. AC bisects angle A and also angle C. Okay, children. Actually, children, if ever you want, this is x, this is x, this is also x. Y means children. Y means why I am saying like this means rectangle is a parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. In parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. So if this is x and x, this is also x and x because it is by actually, children. I mean to say actually angle A is equal to angle C, children. So if this is 2x, this is also 2x. Why 2x 2x? Because AC is bisecting x and x. Okay. Required to prove. I am writing here, children. Required to prove. We have to prove that ABCD is square. I have to prove that ABCD is square. And also, children, he is saying diagonal BD bisects angle B and angle B. Angle B and angle. Okay, children. So very easy sum, children. No need to panic at all. Very easy sum, children. First step only I'm saying, children. See, children. I'm writing here. Rectangle is a parallelogram. Am I correct, children? Because opposite sides are equal and parallel. Rectangle is a parallelogram. In parallelogram and rectangle, opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. So angle A is equal to angle C. We can write 2x is equal to 2x. Why, children, 2x is equal to x? Because he claimed that AC is a angle bisect. He claimed that AC is an angle bisect. So x is equal to x means all x's are equal. So imagine this is 1, this is 2. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Here I am showing angle 1 is equal to angle 2. If base angles are equal, if base angles are equal, children, if base angles are equal, then sides are also equal. Then, children, then sides are also equal. Children, base angles are equal, sides are also equal. Therefore, AB is equal to BC. Already, because it is rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So, adjacent sides. Now, AB and BC are adjacent sides. Adjacent sides also equal. Adjacent sides also equal. Children, opposite sides also equal. Adjacent sides also equal. So I can say all sides are equal. If all sides are equal, then it is a square. Over. No need to prove 90 degrees because already it is a rectangle. Children, all will be 90 degrees only. No need to prove. In rectangle also 90, in square also 90. I hope everyone understood, children. No, sir, anyone didn't understand it, sir. I'll explain slowly again, try to understand, children. This angle equal. 2x equal. 2 cancel, x and x are equal. All x's are equal. 1 and 2 are equal. Base angles are equal, sides are equal. Already opposite sides equal. Already he gave. Now we prove that adjacent sides also equal. Means all sides equal. All sides are equal. Means it's a square. Very easy, sir. Okay, children. Now next proof. He is asking us to prove that BD also bisects. Okay, children, see here. A, B, C, D. He is saying BD also bisects. You have to prove that he is saying. Okay, children. So same, children. It is angle B is equal to angle D. Angle angle B is equal to angle D. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Okay. So, children, AD is equal to AB. AD is equal to AB. So this is X. This is also X. Because base angles are equal. Base angle. So AD is equal to AB, children. AD is equal to AB. Yeah. Or else easy method I will say, children. Don't get confused. Easy method I will say. So many methods are there, children. Many methods. Try to understand. Very easy. This one triangle, this one triangle, I will take. ABD and CBD. CBD. Let's do congruency. Simple, no, children. Simple. Very easy. What is the congruency? AB is equal to BC. Why? Because he only gave it as a rectangle or square, opposite sides are equal. AD is equal to BC. Why? Rectangle or square, opposite sides are equal. BD is equal to BD. Why? Congruent. So by SSS, ABD is congruent to BCD. AB is congruent to BCD. Children, I think ABD I said. But this given lettering is wrong. AB is equal to CD. So AB is equal to, you should write DC. AB is equal to DC. AB is equal to DC. And BD was equal to BD. No? Okay, then I will write like C D B. Okay, now children. Why sir you may ask? Why means children try to understand. AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to CD. BD is equal to BD. BD is equal to BD. AD is equal to CB. AD is equal to CB. So this also should match, children. However, I want ABD, BCD. You should not write like that, children. It should match. No, sir, we didn't understand this again. ABD is congruent to. Why? Because AB was equal to CD. BD was equal to BD. BD was equal to BD. And AD was equal to BC. AD was equal to BC. Right. It should come correctly. Because these both triangles are congruent, this angle will be equal, this angle will be equal, because all sides by CPCT. By CPCT, what will write, children? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Children, 1 is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 4. If 1 is equal to 2 and 3 is equal to 4, can anyone say what can we say, children? What we can say? If 1 is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 4, what we can say? Anyone? Anyone? What we can say? Anyone? Children? If 1 is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 4, what we can say? Anyone? Children? 1 is equal to 2, 3.
Angle B is equals to angle 2.
No. BD is also angle bisector. Means AC was angle bisector. No, in the same way BD is also angle bisector. You are not listening, children. Very well. You are not listening. I thought you are listening. Hold on. Children, I am saying, try to understand. I am saying that this is B, this is D, not children. This is 1 and 2 are equal. 3 and 4 are equal. Why these both are equal? Because these both are congruent. If 1 and 2 are equal, 3 and 4 are equal. BD is the angle bisector of BNC. BD is the angle bisector. Means it bisects angle B and angle D also. Bisecting means this angle are equal. This angle are equal. No one is listening. Very bad. So children, this is how we do it. I hope you understood. Everyone. So how I prove square, children? Because base angles are equal, adjacent sides are also equal. As adjacent sides are equal and already opposite sides are equal, so all sides are equal. So it is a square. I told you. So it is a square. This is about eighth sum. Eighth sum. Okay, children. Let's go to third sum. Third sum. Children, you should concentrate, children. I told you millions of times. No one is doing any favor to any nation. We are working and reading and studying for ourselves. So show that if the diagonals of quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then it is a rhombus. Children, what did you see? See, children. See, children. If the diagonals of quadrilateral bisect each other, Children, he's saying A, B, C, D. He said diagonals are bisecting each other. Children, try to understand. Given this and this are bisecting, means VO is equal to OD, he said, and this are bisecting. AO is equal to OC. He said diagonals of quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles. He said they are cutting at right angles. Children, they are cutting at right angles. Means angle O is 90 degrees. Then required to prove is what? It is a rhombus. At least try to concentrate now onwards, children. Please concentrate, children. If you concentrate, you will understand. If not, you will claim that geometry is tough. That's all simple, no? Putting responsibility or reason on others is very easy. Geometry is tough. Maths is tough. Teacher is not good. But we will never say that we are not understanding. We are not listening. So, children, okay, fine. So, children, please see here. What I'm saying is, he said uh, that diagonals are bisecting each other and at right angles 90 degrees. So all are this is 90 90 90 90 90. We have to prove it as a rhombus. Very easy. We have to prove it as a rhombus. Okay, children. Shall we do? So children, first to take these two triangles. What are the two triangles? ABO, CB. In ABO and CB. In these two triangles. OB is equal to OB. Why, children?
Common side.
Very good. Common side. At least one point is listening. Angle O is equal to angle O. Why, children?
Common
90
angle.
degrees.
Angle
Altitude.
is given. OA is equal to OC. Why, children?
BD is going to bisect.
Diagonals bisect each other. Here said this and this are equal. Here is so children by SAS. Children by SAS congruency, we can say that ABO is congruent to ABO is congruent to. Try to understand. ABO is congruent to CB by CPCT. Children by CPCT, we can say AB is equal to AB is equal to. Okay, children. I hope you understood this. No, sir, we didn't understand this. Actually, see these two triangles in BCO and DCO. BCO and DCO, children. CO is equal to CO. Why, children?
Common side.
Common side. Angle O is equal to angle O. Why, children?
90 degrees altitude.
Diagonals bisect each other at perpendicular 90. And OB is equal to OC. Why, children? OB is equal to OD. Diagonals
Bisect at
bisect each other at right angles. Here again. So by again SAS, children, these both triangles are congruent. If two triangles are congruent, all sides and all angles are equal. If these two triangles are equal, all sides and all angles are equal. So children, by CPCT, what we can say, BC is equal to CD. BC is equal to CD. Okay, children. Hope you are able to understand. No, sir, we are not able to understand this. One more option. In these two triangles, in CDO and ADO, CDO and ADO, children, CDO and ADO, OD is equal to OD. Why, children?
common side.
Common side. Angle O is equal to angle O. Why, children?
90 degrees.
90 degrees given. OA is equal to OC. Why?
Diagonals bisect each other.
Only one boy is listening. Very good. Diagonals bisect each other. So by SAS, what we can say? CDO is congruent to CDO is congruent to CDO is congruent to ADO. So by CPCT, what we can write, children, by CPCT, CD is equal to A. CD is equal to A. I hope everyone understood. No, sir, still we didn't understand. Now see these two triangles. What is the name of these two triangles, children? DAO and BAO. In DAO and BAO, AO is equal to AO. Anyone by
Common side.
common side. Angle O is equal to angle O. Why?
90 degrees.
90 degrees.
OB is equal to OD. Why?
Diagonals
Let's dissect each other.
Bisect each other. By SAS, what we can say, children, by SAS, DAO DAO is congruent to BAO by CPCT. We can say AD is equal to AB. AD is equal to AB. Now, children, first we prove that this and this are equal, then this and this are equal, then this and this are equal. So all sides are equal. All sides are equal. If all sides are equal, it is a rhombus. You may say, sir, it can be square also. No. Yes, children, it can be square. But to prove square, again you have to prove this all are 90 degrees. This all are 90 degrees. We can't prove that 90 degrees. They didn't ask, we can't prove. Why to prove unnecessary? They asked a rhombus. If a rhombus to prove, all sides are equal and diagonals bisect each other at right angles will not. So because all sides are equal, it is a rhombus. If all sides are equal, it is a rhombus. Hence we prove. So what I did, children, what is the basic idea of this sum? This I proved congruent, this I proved congruent, this I proved congruent, this I proved congruent. When all angles are formed, all triangles are congruent, all sides are equal. If all sides are equal, then it can be a rhombus or square. But he asked a rhombus, so we have proved it as a rhombus. Anyone have any doubts, children?
No, sir.
Children, very
No,
good.
sir.
I hope you understood. All triangles I proved it as a rhombus. That's all. Because so many times we have to prove, no, children, it will be boring for you. That's why I didn't say from the beginning. Fourth sum. Fourth sum. Okay. Show that the diagonals of square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. Children, he's saying it is a square. A, B, C, D. He said that given A, B, C, D is a square. He said. He only said. He given that A, B, C, D is a square. He's asking to prove that diagonals are equal. Children. Diagonals are equal. Okay, children. He's asking to prove that diagonals are equal. Shall we do, children? First one, he's asking to prove, required to prove, first to prove, children. He's asking us to prove that diagonals are equal. Those who want this proof, first I am doing separately. This proves each other. Children, I want to divide this and this separately. This I will put here, children, and this triangle I will separate and I'm removing and putting separate. So this will be ADC and this will be BCD. Okay. Children, this and this are equal. Can anyone say why?
Sir, all sides are equal in square.
All sides are equal.
In square, all sides are equal. Children, can anyone say why D and C are equal?
Sir, in square
All
all
angles are equal.
In square, all angles are 90. Children, can anyone say CD is equal to CDY?
common side.
Common side.
Over by SAs, they are congruent. By congruent means they are CT, CT, AC, and BD are equal. Diagonals are equal. Oh, you only said C. Such easy. That's it. You only said no, children. I didn't say anything. So AD is equal to BC because in square all sides are equal. Angle E is equal to angle C, children. In square all angles are 90 degrees. You should write. And CD is equal to CD because common side by say yes. What is congruent? ADC is congruent to BCD. So by CPCT, what we can write, children, by CPCT? All sides are equal, all angles are equal. Therefore, AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. So diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal. That is the fundamental difference between the rhombus and square, children. In square and rhombus, all sides are equal. But in square, diagonals are equal. In rhombus, diagonals are not equal. In square, diagonals are equal. In rhombus, diagonals are not equal. That is the fundamental difference. In square and rhombus, all sides are equal, but diagonals are not equal. First proof is over. Second one. And he said, children bisect each other at right angles. Children, he said, to prove that they bisect each other at right angles, he's asking us to. Okay, children. So he only said it is they are bisecting, but at right angles, he is only saying they are bisecting, but at right angles, he is. So try to understand. Very easy, children. Very easy. This is A, B, C, D. He said that they are bisecting. Bisecting is this and this are equal, this and this are equal. This and this are equal, this and this are equal. He said they are bisecting, but at 90 degrees. Let's prove at 90 degrees. Let us take any two triangles. Let's take any two triangles. I'm taking AOD and AOB. AOD and AO. Okay. AO is equal to AO. Can anyone say why, children?
Common side.
Common side.
Common side. Very good. AO is equal to AO. Okay. Can anyone say OD is equal to OB?
Sir.
Diagonals are
Neither
bisecting
side.
each other.
Diagonals bisect each other. Given. AD is equal to AB. Can anyone
All
say
sides
that?
are equal in the square.
Also,
In square, all
All
sides
sides
are equal. So AOD is congruent to AOB. Now what we can write by CPCP? All sides are equal, all angles are equal. Can I write angle 1 is equal to angle 2, children? Yes or no? Angle 1 is
yes,
equal to angle
sir.
2. Yes, very good. Can I write angle 1 and angle 2 as x and x? Can I write, children? Both as x
Sir.
and x?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can I write x plus x is equal to 180, children?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Why? Because linear
Yes.
pair.
Linear.
Linear pair. Can I write 2x is equal to 180? X is equal to 90. So
Yes.
if x is equal to 90, angle 1 and angle 2 also 90. Therefore, diagonals bisect at right angles. Over. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this. Yes, children. Anyone have any doubt in this sum? 4?
No, sir.
Yes, children. Very good. Now let's do last sum of this exercise. So successfully we are going to complete this exercise today. Okay. Why I'm telling that the last children? Because I am saying, they won't be making such an interesting topic. That's why I said last. That's all. Somehow I'm trying to make it is interesting, but I don't know whether you are feeling or not. I'm trying to make it. Fifth subject. Show that diagonals of quadrilateral are equal and bisect each other at right angles. Then it is a square. This is the converse of previous subject. Children, this is a quadrilateral. A, B, C, D. What is given? He given that if diagonals of quadrilateral, he said diagonals are equal. He said that AC is equal to BD. He only said. And diagonals are equal and bisect each other at right angles. And he also said that they are bisecting each other at right angles. OA is equal to OC, OB is equal to OD, and angle O is equal to 90 degrees everywhere. Means here 90, here 90, here 90, here 90. Required to prove. What is required to prove, children? We have to prove that ABCD is a square. That's it. Last. Children, we have to prove that ABCD is a square. Okay, children. First, let's make AOD and AOB. Please see here, children. AOD and AOB. I'm writing in AOD and AOB. Can you see two triangles? AOD, AOB. AO is equal to AO. Anyone?
Common side.
Common side.
Very good. Angle O is equal to angle O. Why?
Common
90 degrees.
90 degrees given. Who said common angle? OD is equal to OB. Why?
Given.
Diagonals
Given.
bisect each other.
Bisect each other given.
Diagonals bisect each other given by yes, say yes. AOD is congruent to AOB. AOD is congruent to AOB.
AOB.
By CPCT. Children.
A equal to AB.
Children.
AB is equal to AD.
AD is equal to AB. Okay, children. AD is equal to AB. AD is equal to AB. Okay, children. This is first. Now go to this board, children. Please, none of mute your audience, none, please. In BOA and BOC. BO is equal to BO. Why, children?
Common side.
Common side. Okay. Angle O is equal to angle O.
90 degrees given.
90 degrees given. Super, Nana. Someone is saying very nicely. And OA is equal to OC. Nana, mute your audience.
Diagonals bisects each other.
Wow, very good. Diagonals very well. Are you also saying nowadays? Wow. BOA is equal to BOC. When BOA is equal to BOC, what we can say, children? BOA is congruent to BOC By CPCT, what we can say, children? By CPCT, BC is equal to
BC
C.
is equal to DC.
BC is equal to C. Okay, children. BC is equal to C. Okay, so children, now try to understand, children. Okay, so next what he's saying is first we took AOD and this one, then we took this one. Now BCO and DOC. BCO and DCO. In BCO and DCO, BC is equal to C, it has answer. OC is equal to CO is equal to CO. Why, children?
Common side.
Common side. This is both children. This is both angle. Okay. Next, children, angle O is equal to angle O.
90 degrees
90
given.
degrees given.
This is angle. Okay, 90 degrees given. Next, children, OD is equal to OB.
Diagonals
Diagonals
bisect each other.
each other.
Bisect each other. By SAS. Okay. By SAS. Here also SAS, children. BCO is congruent to BCO. By CPCT, what we can write, children? By CPCT,
C is equals to CD.
BC is equal to CD. BC is equal to CD. Last, CDO and ADO. CDO, right? CDO and ADO, children, please see here. OD is equal to OD. Why, children?
Common side.
Common side.
Angle O is equal to angle O. Why?
90 degrees
90
given.
degrees given.
CO is equal to AO. Why, children?
Diagonals bisect each other.
Bisect each other.
Diagonal bisect each other by SAS, children. CDO is congruent to ADO again by CPCT, children. By CPCT, what we can say, children?
CD is equals to
CD is equals to
A. From this, what we can say, children? All sides are
Equal.
equal. All sides are equal, children.
Therefore, ABCD is a
It can be a square or a rhombus, no, children. But all sides are equal is not enough because I was only saying today. But we have to do corners are 90 degrees. All sides are equal, so it can be a square or it can be a rhombus. To prove rhombus, no problem. But to prove square, all angles are 90 degrees also. We should. All angles are 90 degrees also. We should. Okay, children, if you prove all angles are 90 degrees, then only we can say it is there. It is a square, children. If not, either we have to prove that diagonals are equal. Either we have to prove that diagonals are equal. So, children, to prove that compulsory 90 degrees is must. If so, children, just imagine in AD is equal to BC because all sides are equal. CD is equal to CD common side. CD is equal to CD common side. 1 second. Wait, someone came. Okay, children. So, children, this and this are equal. This is common side. So, and 1 second, children. I will draw a figure and then I will show you. 1 second. So, children, to prove this as 90 degrees, 1 second. Why I want space, little space. Here. Yeah. Children, see here, we have proved that A, B, C, D. This and this are equal before, children. Okay, this and this are equal before, children. This and this are equal before, children. So, what we can do means, see here, slowly I will say, listen. This angle and this angle will be equal, children. Anyway, they are 90 degrees, they only get. So, what I will do is, 1 second. What we can do, children? Any idea? Anyone? We have to prove 90 degrees, children. If you can't prove 90 degrees, it is difficult. Any idea, children? Easy method. This angle and this angle are equal. So this angle and this angle are equal, children. Okay. Okay, children. No problem. See children. Easy method I would say, try to understand. Children, this side and this side are equal because it is a square. So I will put this as x, this as x. Please try to understand. This is x, this is also x, children. Why alternate angles? This is x, this is also x, children. Why alternate angles? Now last topic, children. See children, these opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Okay. So if opposite angles are equal, children, normally or x plus x plus x plus x is equal to, okay, opposite angles are just equal, children, but they are not supplementary. Yes, children, what we have. Children, compulsory we have to 90 degrees. If not, we can't claim it as a square because diagonals bisect each other. He said at right angles, he said, and he said that is a parameter. That's it. Show
Sir,
that
can't there be interior angles?
co-interior angles. How none? How co-interior angles? How co-interior angles? How co-interior angles? So this and this will come like this. Yeah.
ఇప్పుడు స్క్వేర్ ని టూ యాంగిల్స్ టూ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ తో డివైడ్ చేస్తారు సార్ రైట్ యాంగిల్స్.
Right angles to divide this three is we should prove it is a square. Okay, Nana. This alone is left now. I will say in next class. This alone is left now square. We have to prove that each angle is 90. I will tell you next class. Children. This alone one topic I will say next class. Okay.